Welcome dear children to the class of chemistry. In the last class we discussed about the concentration of ores and its various methods. So let's recall about the concentration and its various techniques once again. Concentration is the process of removing the impurities present in the ore. Based on the nature of impurities and ore, they are divided into four types. Leviation or hydraulic washing. In this method, the impurities are lighter and the ore particles are heavier. Mainly, concentration of oxide ore or the ore of gold is concentrated by this method. Second one is froth flotation. In this process, the impurities are heavier where the ore particles are lighter. Usually, sulfide ores are done by this method. In magnetic separation, either the ore or impurity is magnetic in nature. Magnetite, the ore of iron, is usually done by this method. And the last one is leaching. Leaching is a chemical process in which the ore dissolves in a suitable solvent. Bauxite, ore of aluminium, is concentrated by this method. Alright then, today we are going to learn about the second and third step in the process of metallurgy. Yes, it's about extraction of metal from concentrated ore and the refining of metals. So let's start about with the second stage, extraction of metals from the concentrated ore. This process is done in two ways. Converting the concentrated ore into oxide, and the second one is the reduction of that oxide. Converting the ore into oxide is mainly done by two methods, calcination and roasting. So let's know about calcination. Calcination is the process of heating the concentrated ore in the absence of air at a temperature below its melting point. Remember children, it's very important this process takes place in the absence of air. Usually, carbonates and hydroxides of metals are decomposed to form their oxides by calcination. The second process is roasting. Roasting is the process of heating the concentrated ore in a current of air or in the presence of air at a temperature below its melting point. So, what makes calcination differ from roasting? Yes, calcination takes place in the absence of air, whereas roasting takes place in the presence of air. Okay, children. So let's move to the next one. Reduction of oxide. Children, what do you mean by reduction? We have learned this reduction and oxidation in the third chapter. But here reduction means it is the process of extraction of a metal from oxide. The extraction of metal from the oxide is done by using suitable reducing agents. So during the process of production of a metal, electricity, carbon monoxide, etc. are used as reducing agents on the basis of reactivity of metal. So children, don't you remember about the reactivity series that we learned in the third chapter? Highly reactive metals are placed above the hydrogen, right? So for highly reactive metals like sodium, potassium and calcium, electricity is used as the powerful reducing agent. Similarly, carbon or carbon monoxide can be used as a reducing agent for moderate reactive metal. For example, zinc, nickel, tin, lead, etc. are considered as the moderate reactive metal. So here we can use carbon or carbon monoxide. So children, in this video we discussed about the extraction of metals from concentrated ore. This process takes place by two methods, converting the concentrated ore into oxide, and it is done by either calcination or through roasting. Calcination means it is the process of heating the concentrated ore in the absence of air. Carbonates and hydroxides of metals are usually done by this method. Roasting is the process of heating the concentrated ore in the presence of air. Sulfide ores are usually done by this method. The reduction of metal from the oxide is done by using suitable reducing agents like electricity, carbon or carbon monoxide. It is based on the reactivity of metal. So for highly reactive metals, we use electricity as the powerful reducing agent. For moderate reactive metal, we use either carbon or carbon monoxide. So children, in the next video we will learn about the third step in the process of metallurgy, refining of metals.